Alright, it's... what time is it?
7:26.
It's 7:26 and I'm making chicken now. So, that's my best friend Cameron. So, you're trying to make my video right now and I don't have an entrance because I haven't talked it off. But, see what I'm going to make today. I'm already cooking. And I'm cooking chicken. Look at that smell. No chicken for you, Cameron. That's right. Keep it walking. And this is my first time cooking, so I'm not too great of a cook. There he is, all heartbroken. No chicken. Say a few words to the camera, Cameron. It has to be
my chicken.
No, you can have chicken.
What?
No, just fooling. Alright, you can have chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder it was so blurry. I had this thing on. Black! You're recording? Why? Because I can. Oh no, wait. Zoom into Miss Kelly. Hi, Miss Kelly.
Don't video me.
She's our teacher.
Crazy today.
Every time we don't show up or we're late, she hits us. Now you know. Goodbye.